In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom invoice template in Xero. A polished, on-brand invoice not only looks professional, it also reduces confusion for customers. We'll walk through Xero's built-in editor so you can set your address, business details, and visual branding in one place. Start on your Xero dashboard. At the top of the screen, click your name to open the account menu, then choose Settings. In the Settings area, open Invoice Settings. This is where Xero stores your branding themes, which control how your invoices look and what details appear on them. Create a new branding theme so you keep the default one untouched. Give the theme a clear name you'll recognize later, especially if you plan to have different styles for quotes, invoices, or regions. This takes you into the theme editor. Begin with your address. Enter the official business address exactly as you want it to appear on your documents. Keep the formatting clean. Use consistent capitalization and include the country if you bill internationally. This address is visible to your customers, so accuracy matters. Next, update your business details. Add your trading or legal business name and any registration or tax identifiers your customers may need on their records. Make sure these details match what's on your contracts and website so clients see a consistent identity across all touchpoints. Move into Brand and Styling to set the visual tone. Choose Logo to upload a crisp, high-resolution file, ideally a PNG with a transparent background. Keep the file size reasonable so PDFs generate quickly. Once the logo is in place, adjust its position to right, center, or left, depending on the layout that best fits your brand. A centered logo feels balanced. Left-aligned often matches letterhead. Right-aligned can free up space for address blocks. Keep an eye on scale so the logo doesn't overpower the invoice content. Select your brand color to bring everything together. If you have a specific hex code from your brand guidelines, use it for consistency. Aim for strong contrast between text and background to maintain readability when printed or viewed on mobile. When you're happy with the details and styling, click Save Theme. That's it. The custom theme is stored and ready for use on your invoices. Take a moment to review the information you entered for typos and ensure the branding aligns with your other customer-facing materials. You now have a professional, consistent invoice template in Xero that reflects your brand.